I'm Jen Holzinger, and I lead Global Employee Communications and HR Communications for Dow. We've got an employee population of about 54,000 employees today, and we have about 45,000 users on our app, which we call Dow Connect. More than 60% of our employee base is in manufacturing, and they're working on the shop floor and they're making products every day. They're not sitting at a desk. They're not having the individual experience of going to the intranet with high frequency during the day. Even email can be difficult to access, and it's at the end of a long shift. And so we had always addressed that issue of reaching employees with using things like physical posters, digital posters, things in the break room. The issue with that was that it was strictly push information and it wasn't personalized in any way. And so we always had this opportunity to reach these employees, engage them in Dow's story, engage them in the day-to-day information that was important for them, not only to do their job, but also get excited about the company they work for. And that's when we went looking for something else. We really took a good look at the channels that we were using and how we were reaching employees. And what we found was that we were telling a full picture story, but it was very disjointed. We had to use a lot of channels to reach a lot of employees with different types of information. And so what the Dow Connect app platform does is bring the story to employees in one singular place. They're able to customize the information that's coming to them based on what's important to them, and then we can share the information from a company perspective that they need to know to do their job on the platform. Because the platform is easy to use, it's intuitive, and it's easy for us to have the power and control to give access to those other storytellers in the company, we can bring a higher volume of information and stories to people that are more meaningful. I feel that using a platform has really helped us to connect to those employees, engage them, and provide them with the types of reassurance that they need through times of change, but also just the practical information that they need to do their jobs every day.